In this episode, I'm going to be showing us how to use the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word like a pro. Without taking much of your time, let's dive in. To use the Read Aloud features in Microsoft Word, first thing first is to highlight on the content you want Microsoft to read out for you. Then go to your ribbon, click on the Review tab, and click on Speech.
Healthy eating is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. One of the most important aspects of a healthy diet is the inclusion of fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which help boost the immune system, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
Now, mind you, you can also choose to change the voice behind the sound and also change the speed. To do that, you come to the right hand side of your screen. You see this icon here. Click on Setting. You can just drag this for the reading speed however you want. Then to change the sound or the voice selection, you can click on, these are the options that we have. There you go for this, and you try it again.
Healthy eating is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. One of the most important aspects of a healthy diet is the inclusion of fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which help boost the immune system, improve digestion, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Below is a list of fruits and the number of cases recommended for daily consumption. Apple, 3, banana, 2, orange, 4, mango, 1, grapes, 20, pineapple, 2 slices, watermelon, 3 slices, papaya -2 slices. Eating a variety of fruits ensures that the body gets a wide range of nutrients needed for optimal health.
And there you have it. Easy, right? I hope now you can use the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word like a pro. So enjoy more tips like this. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. And yes, we'll be holding a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. See you in the next video next time. Bye.